Okay, you guys, I'm back on Phil Server channel, and I'm going to show you how to get Spigot 1.9. So first off, what you need to do is you need to get to the Spigot page. I will link this in the description. It's not too hard to find. Now what you need to do is you need to click this button right here. Now you want to press last successful, build tools.jar, and that'll download the build tools. You want to keep that, and you want to open up the location. Now, once you've done that, you want to put it into a separate folder that you have created on your desktop. Now, that isn't too hard to do. Just drag and drop it from your downloads file into there. Now, keep that page open because we're going to need that. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go get get for Windows. What it's going to do is it's going to be able to let you download all of the files that you want to get for Spigot and Bucket to build. Now once you've done that, it's quite easy to do from here. What you want to do is you want to rename this to something else. So I'm just going to call it Spigot. And from there on, what you can do is you have to click off it, right click, and then it should say there's a way right here, get bash here. Now that'll pop up a window like this. Now what you want to do from there is you want to open up your page for Spigot. You want to go back, and there will be a code right here that you have to use. Now, I'm going to copy, and well, you can't copy and paste into the window, so what you're going to do is you're going to have those open, and you're going to type in Java, Java, space, minus jar, and then you're going to type in what you called your jar file, in my case, spigot.jar, and then you're going to do two minuses, rev, space 1.9. Once you hit enter, it's going to run this, and it's going to collect some things, and that's going to take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So yeah, I'll be back when that's done. Okay, now that that is done, you will see a screen that looks like this in your Git Bash, and you can just close that out now, it's not very important. And now you're going to ask, where is your spigot, your jar spigot file? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to spigot server, and enter the target folder, and it will be right here. Spigot 1.9 RO1 snapshot. Now I'm going to copy, and I'm going to back out of here, and I'm going to make a subfolder called Spigot server. And what you're going to do is you're going to paste your jar file into there. Now once you have done that, you're going to need to make a run file. So what you're going to do is text document, and I'm going to name it start. You can name it run, whatever you want. And then I'm going to go into here, and I'm going to put down at echo off, and then Java minus capital X MX, and I'm going to put 1 gig in, so that's going to be 1024M. Now you're also going to want to do that again, minus X XMS 1024M. Now if you want to change the amount of RAM that you are using, you just change these values. You can change it to the gigabyte. You can even put in for, let's say, 2G, and that will work. But for right now, I'm going to do it the old-fashioned way and use it in, yeah. And then you're going to put minus jar, and then you're going to specify the jar you are using in your folder, and it will be spigot, SPIGOT, dash 1.9, and then another dash R 0.1 slash snapshot dot jar. And after that, you're going to put pause. Now, when you've done that, you want to go to File, Save As, and you're going to want to save it as a .bat, and make sure you change the Save As type file to All Files, and then you're going to save it. Now, what that's going to do is that's going to create a start prompt. Now, what you do is when you click it, it will start up your server. Oh, oh, I spelled it wrong. Okay, so in case you do that, you can right click and then edit, and it'll take you back into here. Okay, so what did I do wrong? I put a comma instead of a dot. File, save. Okay, so now that's going to work. You can use that, and it will start up your server. Now, it'll say for you to accept the EULA. Now what you want to do is you want to go in here and type in true, T-R-U-E, and you're going to save that, and then you're going to start your server, and it shall successfully start it from here. And there you go, you have now successfully created a server on your computer. Now what you can do from there is you can port forward, which I do not go into that. I will not leave a link, you can just search it. It's not hard to do. For beginners it might be a little bit difficult to do, but once you figure it out, it's way easy to do. So after that, that's it. You have a server. You can add in your plugins or whatever. You can stop it. You can OP people, whatever you want to do. Then from there, you have yourself a server. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back in the next video. Bye.